Authority has issued blue alert for the following counties or areas. Mississippi, at 12:13 a.m. on June 9, 2026, effective until 1:13 a.m. Cortavious Lawayne Hobbs is wanted in connection to an officer-involved shooting in Mount Olive, MS, Covington County that occurred on 6/8/2026 at approximately 3:38 p.m. Please call 911 immediately if you see Cortavious Lawayne Hobbs or observe any suspicious activity. Cortavious Lawayne Hobbs is described as a black male 18 years of age, 5 feet and 6 inches tall, weighing 140 pounds, with brown eyes and black hair. He was last seen in the 200 block of South Bluff Street on 6/8/2026 at approximately 3:38 p.m. and was wearing a black hoodie and gray pants. Cortavious Lawayne Hobbs may be on foot. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this dangerous suspect, please call 911 or the Mississippi Bureau of Investigation at 855-642-5378.